Okay, I want to show you guys something real quick. Seems to be pretty popular in the plumbing industry, at least in East Tennessee. Here you got these really cool water heaters that they're installing now, these tankless water systems. This happened on my house as well. I had to get my plumber out to fix this issue. They're installing these emergency, these drain lines, these pressure relief lines to nothing. Mine actually had a 1-gallon bucket sitting in the bottom of it, okay? So don't let your plumbers do this sort of thing. Make sure whoever's installing these tankless water heaters or any water heater that this dude is pumped outside, okay? Imagine this spewing out 120-degree water, and then you, the homeowner, have to come and turn this thing off for whatever reason because all the shutoffs are right here. Okay, I just wanted to show you pictures of this water heater really fast. So this is also a tankless water heater, and this is our water heater. And when we purchased the house, I found it interesting that when the home inspector took a look at this thing, that he did not ding that the overflow valve ran straight down into a bucket. There was actually a 1-gallon paint bucket that there was a piece of PVC that ran down straight into that paint bucket. Now this is a drip overflow valve that was coming out of the tankless, and that little drip valve ran out the wall right there. So that's very interesting to me that they did it that way, that the hot water is okay to flow into the garage, but the little drip valve, it has to be ran outside. So anyway. And the other thing is they have an overflow. These guys have an overflow, and you can see the PEX is running to the condensate pump of the heating and air unit. So if for some reason there's any water coming through here, and normally there would not be, but if there is, it's putting a double duty on this condensate pump, okay? This condensate pump is running up and out. As you can see, this flex line right here, going up and out over to a 1.5-inch PVC connector right there, then going all the way over and down into their sump pump, which does not work. So make sure you're maintaining your sump pumps often. If you have a basement situation, check these kind of things. Think about the safety of your family if this 120-degree water starts spewing out because this tankless water system fails for some reason. Michael Church, Crawl Space Ninja. Hope you like this video down below. See you later.